Cosmetologists, do you want to learn the clipper cut? Stop waiting and start cutting.
This is what I've been looking for 10 years, is a system that will consistently give me the nice fades, the nice tapers, especially the bald fade.
It was amazing. I learned so much, blew my mind. I'm so excited to go home and get right to work.
Day 2 for me was just, mind-blowing. That's the best way I can put it. He broke it down very simplistic. His way, to me, literally broke it completely down to where I'm stoked. I can't wait to get back to the shop and really just knock these out, because the haircut that I actually did today, and even on day 1, came out crisp. I have not done these type of haircuts that crisp with a ball fade, tapers, things like that.
Having the opportunity to cut various hair types from curly to straight, from long to short, gave me what I needed. I've gained my experience off of trial and error. And today I was actually taught the ins and outs of barbering, taught the ins and outs of how to deal with your clients and how to handle and conduct business appropriately, professionally. And it's just, I didn't know what to expect. But you said, how was it at the beginning versus now? At the beginning I came in not knowing what to expect, and now I feel elevated, I feel confident, I'm ready to put my clippers back to work, because I've just evolved within the 5-6 hours that I've been here. I feel that I've evolved and I'm just ready to go.
I was mind blown. The class was absolutely amazing. Everything and beyond of my expectations.
And so much knowledge that the school hasn't given me in the last 6 months, just in this weekend. So thank you, Lou. But I was very scared because I never really cut anybody's hair before, so it was a scary moment. But now today, I know how to do a good blend, a good fade. I feel comfortable now, because before I didn't know how to blend. I didn't know how to fade anything. And so now I have the confidence to go on and have people sit in front of me and get my haircut.
When I got into my car, I was with the biggest smile. I called my husband. I was just like, babe, this was amazing. I told Mr. Liu that day that those 6 hours meant everything, because in those 6 hours I learned so much more than what I did in a year and a half in Cosmo School. And they don't do that in Cosmo School. They don't go step by step. They just teach you state board, and that's it. So Lou, I consider him my mentor from that day on. And after that, I was so like that whole week I just couldn't stop talking about it, because I just couldn't believe that, wow, I actually did this. My blood was pumping. I knew I had it in me to become greater.
When I get back to Utah, I'm gonna do some fades. So there's gonna be a barber in the house here. My educator, Lou the barber, he was so fun to be with all day. We've had conversations and just got along really awesome. And he just taught the way that I could understand. And he's awesome.
My instructor Lou took his time. You can see the passion in his work. You can see the passion that he wants everyone, all of his students, to be able to do the best that they can. He's right there with you. It's a hands-on seminar. You're not just watching him do the work, which is a great thing that you're able to get in there and do the work yourself.
Both ends of the blade, that's right. And make sure you always start out here where there's no hair and move into that, okay?
You feel more confident, and you feel just great knowing that you are actually doing the job that you're going to be doing on your client's hair. So he's right there, right beside you every step of the way.
My instructor Lou is the best. I have never had so much fun and learned so much in my career. It was worth every penny, every minute I spent here. In fact, we went over, and I could go over class time every day and just keep learning and learning. Lou is fantastic, and I absolutely recommend this to any cosmetologist and any barber. I think you can always keep stretching yourself, always learn something new, always have something in your toolkit to give people the best haircuts possible. So absolutely, I recommend this.
You could just see what he means. You can tell he loves what he does. And it's not about money. He cares about what he teaches you. He shows you steps, and it's every bit worth it. This is my second day here. I wouldn't trade it for the world. I think he does an awesome job. He loves what he does.
Lou is amazing. He's very professional. He's very thorough. He has a great personality and a good disposition, and it makes it easy to learn from someone like that in this industry because you don't always get that. He's very caring and he wants you to succeed. And I did learn a lot from him. I do work in a barber shop, but I'm honing my skills with Lou, and I love the way he carries himself. There is no intimidation. There is no talking down to anybody, and everyone in the class gets along.
Definitely would recommend him to anyone, whether you're experienced, whether you're a brand new barber like myself getting into this industry, to really do this. This was a solution for me, and I know it's going to be a solution for a lot of different people that are actually in my footsteps as a new barber, you know, or someone that's experienced brushing up on different skills. His system was just ridiculously, perfect to me. So 100% recommendation for Lou. I can't wait to get to the shop.
I'm so happy that I made the investment to come in and spend the time with Lou because his system is so precise. It's a no mistake system. If you follow the system, you're gonna do a stellar job on your client's hair. Leave out of here feeling confident and ready to put those clippers on your client's hair, guaranteed. So if I could say anything else, I highly recommend it. Did I say I highly recommend it? I highly recommend it.